Marissa and welcome back to Vlogmas Day 18. Guys, we're getting up there. We're almost like at the end of Vlogmas. That's crazy. Today we are going to be trying the I'm Cold makeup tutorial look that's been going around. So we are going to be trying that out. Before we get started, really quick, if you guys have not entered yet, make sure you go enter the giveaway on my Instagram. So I will have the post right here, so you'll go on my Instagram, look for the post. You can enter once by tagging your friends and another time by following along with Vlogmas and entering the secret emoji. So the secret emoji for this video is going to be right here. So you'll just comment this emoji under this post and then you'll be entered so you can win. Further ado, let's get into the video. First, we're gonna start off with my brows. I'm gonna do them how I always do them. So using my e.l.f. brow lift, and then I also use the Benefit 24-hour brow setting gel. I like these two together because I just feel like my brows are going nowhere all day. Okay, so after that, I go in with the Benefit Fluff Up Brow Wax. So this is just another thing to hold them all day. Eyebrows are really stubborn, so they need all the hold they can get. And also this wand is more like a spoolie, so I think it separates my brow hairs a little bit more. Then I'm taking my Benefit, everything's Benefit, Gimme Brow. And so I just use this to fill in like the tail of mine. This one, the tail isn't grown as far as this one, so I really have to fill in the tail on this. And that's all I really fill in. Everything else is just like I slick it back. But yeah, ever since I've been trying to like make my brows straight brows, tails of them just aren't where I want them to be. So after that, we're gonna carve them out. And I've been loving my SHEGLAM concealer. So yeah, you could tell how messy that was, and we just like clean it up. And then we try and make the other side look the same. Then we're gonna do just a little bit on top, just at like the ends. And then with the remainder, I'm just going to spot conceal. So I have a giant zit right there. And right here is where I have most of my acne scars, is like my cheek and my chin. Just a little bit under the eyes because I am gonna conceal after I put my foundation on as well. And then I just blend that out with my finger. Then let's go in with foundation. So I've been loving the Clinique Even Better foundation. I've talked about this before, but it is my favorite because I have acne prone skin and it's a medium to full coverage. Okay, so once we blend all of that out, we're gonna do concealer. And then before we blend our concealer, we're gonna go in with a liquid blush. This one's from SHEGLAM. It's one of my favorites and I think it's perfect for this look because it's just a perfect pink. And I'm gonna do, so this is what I would normally do. We're gonna start with this, and then I think we're gonna add more after we blend this in. And I always do this at the same time so that it blends in with my concealer. And take it kind of high, like up into my eye area almost. So I think we're gonna go up. I wanna keep it high. And then we'll do the nose. I look like a clown. I really wish I had pink loose powder for this look, and I don't. Okay, next we're going to set that with our loose powder. So this one's from Maybelline. And it's okay if we're covering up the blush because we are gonna add a powder blush. For eyeshadow, I wanna keep it really light. We're gonna go in with this shade, which is Rarity. It's just like a, you can tell I love it. It's just like a cream shade all over the lids to help set it. And then we're gonna do this Bonjour shade. So this is almost like a pinky undertone. We're just gonna do that all over the lid and a little bit in the crease. Then for the shimmer shade, we're gonna do Fenty Beauty Diamond Dust in How Many Carats. It's this pretty white shimmer. I'm gonna do it with my fingers so that we get a better effect. Sometimes with shimmers and stuff, it just looks better to do it with your finger than a brush. And this just has that like fine wet glitter look versus a shimmer eyeshadow, which is gonna look more like a shimmer powder. Hopefully you can see that. Then I'm going to do, so that's it for the eyeshadow. I just wanted really like pretty white. Some eyeliner and some lashes. This is just my staple. You can just do mascara if you want. To do a small wing, and this is the SHEGLAM eyeliner. Guys, I love this. Okay, the wing is not winging today. Normally I can get it nice and sharp, but whatever. It don't look great, but it's fine. Then we're gonna use some mascara and then eyelashes. And I'll have these eyelashes and everything linked down below, by the way. So then we're gonna make sure all that excess powder is off. I kind of wiped most of it off. And I'm gonna do a little bit of contour, but not a lot because this look is really focused around like the blush. So I don't want to do too much, but I feel like I do need to contour my nose a little. And then I'm just taking the Hoola bronzer from Benefit. And normally I'd connect it more at the point here, but we're gonna go over that with blush, so I'm not even gonna worry about it. My eyelash doesn't love me today. Okay, and then I am gonna do just a little bit more of that Hoola bronzer, just like right here. The most important part, the blush. So we're gonna be using, this has been my favorite blush all winter, the Giorgio Armani one, and this is in the shade 51. It is a perfect winter pinky blush for this look. I'm gonna take a fluffy brush, and this is super pigmented. And we're just gonna start back and then all the way. I feel like doing this area is what gives it that like I'm cold look. And then I like to do around my forehead and my chin. And then you can add some freckles. This is from SHEGLAM, but this is a little freckle pen. This one's a little bit dark for me. I like to just keep them on the sides there. And you can do it on both sides. And we're going to do the bottom mascara. Oh, we did a little highlight. So we're going back in with the Fenty. Then we'll blend out this outer part. So I'm going to go in with this taupey brown because I want to keep it more in and neutrals, away from like warm and like orangey. So I'll do that a little bit, and then we'll blend it out using the shade that we used on our lid. Then we're gonna go in with our Jaclyn Hill highlight in Iced on our little brush. We're gonna do our inner corners, and I do right up under my brow bone, like right where I carved out my eyebrows, and we'll do a little down the nose. And then for lips, I'm gonna do my Benetint. This stuff smells so good. So you can definitely layer this if you want it to be darker. I like it more light, berry. And then I'm going to layer it because I like glossy looks. I'm gonna layer it my LA Girl lip plumper. So this has like a pinky tint to it, and it gives you that plumpy, like juicy lip look. Okay guys, and that's the I'm Cold makeup. Actually it's really cute. I feel like a little cutie girl. I wish I had earmuffs just to add to the look, but I don't. But that would be perfect if I had little white earmuffs. This is the whole look. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please give this video a big thumbs up, and I will see you guys literally tomorrow for the next Vlogmas video. Peace out.